Hey ladies and gents, crypto traders, my name is Jan Robert of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to buy Hedera Hashgraph, and I will put this as the altcoin of the day. And I think this is quite interesting coin to take a look at. And Hedera Hashgraph with ticker symbol HBAR, HBAR is rank number 52 with market cap of $210 million. It's quite okay, and Hedera Hashgraph fell from the inception of almost 10 cents to a low of even 1 cent, so 80% down. Now it's hovering around $4 so I would like to pick some coins up. And Hedera Hashgraph describes itself as a decentralized public network that aims to allow anyone to transact, play and socialize in a secure and trusted environment. I looked up some on the website about Hedera Hashgraph, and Hedera Hashgraph, the advantages actually, it says that it's kind of a competitor of the blockchain itself, and the founders and the people of Hashgraph, they say themselves even that it could replace blockchain. Why? Because there are many advantages. Like Hashgraph makes more than 250,000 transactions per second, and the protocol cannot be manipulated, and the technology it can already be operable for not more than 1 gigabyte, in contrary to the 60 GB which are needed for the Bitcoin blockchain. Security, safety, of course, is very important. I'm not that technical, but it states that Hashgraph is making use of the Byzantine agreement, and this works anyway. And with the cryptos like Bitcoin, many branches are and the bypasses are necessary, and with Hashgraph is that not possible. It's not necessary. Hashgraph is very cheap and it's scalable. So I would like to stick to the chart actually, and that is why I am thrilled of, because we see on the daily basis a very good and nice spike. Of course, in the beginning of 2020 it rolled over to more than 8 cents, then fell back again, but since then it's trading around 4.4 cents. I think that it's more than a table. 50 to 100% is possible. 66 cents to 8 cents is the first target. I would like to pick some up with a stop loss below 3.5 cents. And if you take a look at the 4-hourly chart, we can also see that the trade navigator also signaled a buy signal at 0.0405, and now it's trading around 0444. So I think I would like to pick some up. What I'm doing, first you can go to, for instance, Coinmerce. I would like to buy some for $50, for 50 euros. It's very easy. You go to Coinmerce and buy some for 50, for instance, and then how much can we pick up? 1352.5. It's very easy. You can buy this very easily by Ideal, so which I would like to do that now. And the other way around is also with you can pay with Coinmerce coins, and then it's not necessary to pay transaction cost, but with Ideal it's very easy to buy. I will do that with ABN AMRO, my house bank. There will be, I think, a QR code. I hope so, and I think so. I will do that by with my mobile app. And then let's take a look. And then it's payable like this. . I'll scan the QR code again. For 50 euros, it's quite okay. And then I will put the transaction through. Here we go. And the payment has been successful. You can go back to Coinmerse. And I hope in the wallets, most of the time I go to the wallets and I will stash some coins to the other exchanges. And I hope that the completed 1352.5 HBAR are in my wallet here, so that's nice. I would like now to go to 3 commas and to show how to trade HBAR there. I have some $145 left, so what I can do is I go to the smart trade. I would like to pick up HBAR. What I'm doing, that is smart trade. I will look up for the HBAR actually in USDTs. You can see the exchange and market in USDT, and would like to do the trading bar, trading pair. It's loading, I hope. And HBAR will show up. As you can see, I have 0 HBARs. I would like to bookmark it, and as you can see, there was a big spike there. And what I would like to do, I would like to buy now directly on the market for an amount of $50. That is strange. Buy. Of course, 1163. That's because in dollars, and I would like to buy some at 95. 96 is all as well. I'll buy this. Okay, successfully created. Here we go. What did we do actually? We have here finished today. Okay, this sounds good. So what I would like to do is now 50, I have now in position, if I'm right, 1163.9 HBAR, and now I would like to put a very cool trade, a smart trade. What I would like to do, I will not put stop loss because I'm screwed and fucked over many times because I put stop loss. So what I would like to do, when the market and if the market drops, and that is of course always possible, but when it does, I would like to show you how to do that. If the market, if the chart will update soon. So let's say when the market goes to 0.0425, what I would like to do, I would like to buy some for 50 euros, and this is a trailing buy around $50. So for $50, I would like to buy some at. Let's take a look to the charts. What is better? Zoom a little bit in. 0.0421. When the market will drop, then I would like to put a limit order, trading buy. I have market order of course, but when with 1%, and then I would like also to take to do a take profit when the market spikes up again, and with 10% higher, then I would like to put 1% deviation, trade, confirm, trading buy, trading take profits, confirmation. Okay, pending. So this order is waiting for being executed. I'm quite curious what happened, because I did also yesterday a webinar with 3 commas, at least for my Crypto Academy members, especially for them. And as you can see, it's now an empty screen, but here it is. Here are some trades. I hope we can find some here. HBAR finished. Position 50. Okay, long. Seller last week stopped out. Position created. Beam I have. Some stop losses have been hit, and that is not good. And there you can see an 8% profit, on sealer 11%. So that's very nice. And so I would like to take it from here. Go to Coinverse or to 3 commas, or maybe you can also trade on 3C.exchange for free. Not for free, but the platform is free, and you have only to pay the transaction fees, of course. So go to HBAR.com or something. Let's take a look. Hedera.com/HBAR. Then you can see much information about Hedera. So Hedera, it is. Take a close look at this excellent coin to take a look at for profit between 15 and 100%. Bye bye.